Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm just gonna show you guys the cucumber and how they are doing. So they're not bad. I mean, it's a cold period right now, so few of the leaves are burned, but I mean, I think I'm gonna get some consenso and spray them out probably Sunday, because today is Friday, so I'm gonna spray those on Sunday. And then I'm gonna get the tomato over this side, because I have some tomato and some sweet pepper over this side. So guys, these are this tomato lately plant, but you can see the sun did them a real damage because this area hasn't been grassed as yet, because guys, I've been so busy because I've been trying to take on more work myself, and this thing is getting away from me. So these are, yeah, hi. So these are the tomatoes. So these are the salad, as we'll call it. And as you can see right in here, so one without as well. And here is the sweet pepper. So I have the sweet pepper and the tomato in one whole. And this can save you on fertilizers, guys, because trust me, fertilizer very expensive right now. Everything the prices are going up on every single thing. And I'm gonna plant some melon through here as well. I'm gonna take up those pumpkin and plant them over in the bush away, so until further on. So guys, this is what I have been doing. And then I have that section over there to get ready to plant the lettuce and the broccoli. And then I have that top area up there so as well to plant the I'm gonna plant some more tomatoes and sweet pepper up there as well, along with melon. So I just want to get things done. And I'm gonna show you guys, I've been digging some holes for the broccoli. So these are the holes I've been digging for the broccoli. So they're 2 feet in width and about 1 feet in length. So this is about 240 holes, because I've checked it. So you have 80 odd go up in one hole, so 240 odd. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna get some more dig, and let me give you guys an update on the big salad. So these are the slicing salad, as you call it, slicing tomatoes. So I don't want to block the thing with my shadow. So these are the slicing tomatoes. I'm gonna have to get these steak as soon as possible as well. So as you can see, guys, this has been a struggle for me because I'm trying to get everything done. I know I haven't been posting any videos, but I'm gonna post everything all at once because I just want to get these work off me. And you know, with videos you have to be editing and all these things, and I don't really have much time because when I come from bush I'm like so tired. I just take a bath and I go to bed. So this is what's been going on over here, guys. And as you can see there, oh my god, they're starting to blossom. They're starting to blossom, guys. Look at there, I'm starting to blossom. I need to get this steak. I'm gonna have to start chop the steak probably by next week. And it need weeding out. And I had used some spray call again, Carazone, to burn these bushes. Where bush them there? Don't know if you guys can see it, but I had used some Carazone to burn the bushes them. But see, I'm in the period of burning the bushes, rain start fall. So it burned it through, you know. It burned some of them at least. Yeah, it burned some of the bushes, and the rain come down same time too. So I mean, if the rain hadn't come down, probably I've got more burn. Cause look here, and it did not trouble the tomatoes at all. did not trouble the tomatoes at all, guys. Look here. I think I'm gonna finish. I was gonna say I was gonna just weed it out with machete, but I think I'm gonna burn it out. Just finish burn it out with but what I'm looking at is that it doesn't kill every bush. It does not kill every bush, guys, because these are still here. So most of the things are still here. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, guys, but I'll let you guys know. I think I'm gonna just weed it out, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just gonna weed it out because that thing doesn't kill every bush. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get back to work. So thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, and share with other friends. Bye for now.